Today we'll demonstrate the delay action in Engini, which pauses a workflow for a specified time before continuing. This is especially useful when pulling large amounts of data and waiting for a specific piece of information. The delay helps pause the process until the required data is available, allowing the workflow to proceed smoothly once the information is received. In this example, we will fetch few opportunities from Salesforce and check whether a certain customer exists in those opportunities. If the name is not found, we will delay the workflow for as long as we choose before performing in other actions. The workflow is triggered manually, but you can also use a scheduled trigger or, more effectively, a webhook. A webhook is particularly useful in this case, for example, when a new opportunity is created and the workflow automatically checks the conditions. First, we'll pull a few opportunities from Salesforce. Next, we'll initialize a do-while block to check if the specific name we're looking for does not exist in the list of names from the opportunities returned. If the condition is met, meaning the name was not found, we'll proceed to the inner delay action inside the loop, where we can choose how long to pause the workflow. You can choose how many time units you want in the count of unit field and select from the dropdown whether the unit should be days, hours, minutes, months, or weeks. In this case, we'll delay the process for 5 minutes. Let's test the workflow and see the outcome. As you can see, the workflow automatically navigated to the workflow details page. If you look closely, you'll notice that the history log shows the workflow is currently in waiting status. This means that the opportunities we tested don't yet contain the name we specified. If you click on the details of this run, located on the right, you'll see that the do-while block is under waiting and marked with an orange triangle. If you examine the delay action output, you'll notice the time until which the process is delayed. In addition, you can also use the delay until action. Similar to the delay action, delay until allows you to specify the exact timestamp at which you want to pause the process until. And that's it. Delay and delay until actions are helpful when dealing with large amounts of data that may take time to process. These actions pause the workflow while waiting for specific data to arrive, allowing you to continue the workflow based on your needs. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.